Boys. What is the craziest thing that's ever happened on your doorstep?
I got by an animal.
What?
Right.
What animal?
Your filthy mother.
Oh,
I was waiting for that.
I was trying to just stop you from being.
That's a two in one. That one.
Look at the common house cat. I think.
Oh. Common house cat.
Okay, Shane Dawson.
Well,
The cat.
On a house cat. Oh, today we're reacting to the best doorbell camera moments. Random video.
what is that?
It's a squirrel, bro.
It's a house cat.
You say, ah.
Oh.
Man's what?
Cat.
Get his nuts out.
Oh, bro, this is like, you could show this is the most obviously gonna go wrong thing ever. The ladder is at some booky angle on the snow.
On ice, yeah.
Yeah, like, what do you think's gonna happen here?
Oh, it's gonna hurt.
Oh!
He's alright, look,
that
walk
is
it off.
stunning.
That's it, walk it off.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah, okay.
Why? Why would this be facing
Got a
that
triple
way?
kill there.
Yeah, why has he got 3 seats facing his wall?
What's a chill vibe?
These porch parrots.
They're taking candy on Halloween.
Only one!
They are. 'Cause
Only one!
Even that's mad that people actually do that in the first place. They just go and nick everyone's chocolate.
I feel like the guy should have just gone out and just.
That's very hungry.
He's
hungry
having
boys.
fun with it, Vic. Don't ruin it.
Let him have his fun.
Yeah, that's peak.
No,
That's
no,
scary. Oh no.
It's like Harry Mobility Scooter.
Oh, he's stressed.
He's gonna cry.
The little knee bounce.
In the MPC bounce. Rotted.
That's a well-managed man. He went outside
Yeah.
to do that.
Yeah, you got
Yeah,
caught, though.
but yeah, it's a good.
His family should be thanking him for his services.
The way he's looking around the van.
Shit himself. What's going on?
No shoes. No.
That's gotta hurt.
Oh.
Oh no.
I've got the wrong house. I'm sorry, no, sorry, sir. Sorry, yeah, alright. I really that's I just picture him.
Oh, at least he's polite.
He's yeah, I was gonna say.
Is it? Is it?
What is he eating?
A bear.
Bro, imagine living somewhere where there's a fear of a fucking bear.
The bear just
Like, you
outside
step
your door
up,
chilling.
Yeah, like.
This was us at Big Bear, by the way. We were shitting it.
Yeah.
Bro just owns the house now.
Where do we go recently? But Finland has bears as well, I swear. We could have got attacked by a bear right there.
Sidemen are one video away.
He's been there for time.
Is it Halloween? You just munch a
Yeah,
pumpkin?
he got the candies.
Ah.
So imagine some like 8-year-old turns up to get some candy. They're like, oh,
Trick or treat.
Only one.
Oh god.
That is so peak, man. What if he had a heart attack? Oh my gosh.
is that kangaroos in the snow?
Yeah, where is this?
What's going on?
What country is that?
Really weird. What the fuck?
Oh no. Oh, that could have broken legs so easily.
Oh, and the head as well.
Yeah. Nah, he's actually got off lightly there. That could have been a lot worse.
It's his house now for sure.
This is when
Okay,
Con gives
okay,
us the 360 cam. The slow falls are the best.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Oh,
If that's gravel she's falling off as well, it's a bit.
oh.
How's the sound quality so good?
You can do it, yeah.
You know what that is? And I've seen them at football matches. It's an uneven step. So when the steps are all like the same thing, and then one's like a little bit
One's slightly
higher than the
dodgy.
Yeah, they get
rest.
you.
Them all, yeah.
so stupid.
JJ when he sees a fly. What's going on?
It's just the Prime delivery.
Why your
comes-
Amazon delivery was late, by the way.
Just a shadow boxing in the mirror.
Yeah.
Yeah, what? You want some? Yeah. Yeah, come square up, pussy.
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
KSI
go
on holiday.
Please, watch
Oh,
out.
Yeah, I still got it.
Oh,
Oh.
Aw.
Just smack into the camera.
what is that?
Terrifying.
That dog high as fuck.
Oh, oh,
Oh!
Oh, she
oh, that's like winding.
What was she
I
doing,
want to see
though?
it again, man.
You're trying to break this now.
Oh,
I think that's
Yeah, that's pain. She just crawls afterwards.
Oh no.
That's a horror movie.
Yeah, these
Yeah,
things
nah.
are weird. Like praying mantis are a strange creature.
They are proper aliens.
Distinguished.
They've got to be an actual alien, right? Look at them.
Who do they pray to?
That's what I gotta say. What's he about to do?
Oh.
You know, I'll let him off of that. Oh no.
That...
Oh, that was a proper stab. Oh,
Do you
no.
think it's a doorstep thing, or do you think
You're just so
people
focused on the
fall
door, maybe you
over?
don't look at the stair.
Yeah, he miscalculated because look, he has tried to lift his leg.
Badly.
Look, he's tried, but
He just didn't
Just
lift.
has-
He
he has
didn't
a
lift when he was open
he's booted it.
What the fuck?
Oh,
Oh shit!
Pranked.
If it rings again, I'll rate it. Oh.
Hello,
What the fuck is that?
Dad.
Anybody?
Yeah, do us a favour. I've set up the eye scanner thing on it. Will you just try and scan your eye, see if it lets you in?
oh no.
No.
Try the other one.
That's a great prank.
Just cover your nose, because it's picking up your nose. Hang on, cover your nose.
You saying I've got a big nose?
No, no.
That was
That is
good.
Oh god.
This isn't gonna end well.
Oh. I had a sound effect.
America.
How? Like, how has that happened?
Oh no.
Oh,
no.
Nah.
Oh.
Why is it so... That's terrifying.
Is
Oh,
this
they
why
make
London's
it so
right, you know,
uneasy,
right?
man.
Just because there's nothing there. You got a fox, maybe. Why is it still going?
That's...
Bro, this is a long ass snake.
That's
How does a snake sit to a wall like that?
Yeah, I was gonna say, how's it holding on? Like, he's got no suction cups or anything. Like, it's just like
Suction cups?
no, but you know, like a frog. Or, I don't know, it's
Like
got,
an
sticky feet.
octopus? With the...
Yeah, like
Yeah,
how's it
how
sticking?
do
How
they
does
do
snake...
that?
Vic, come on, you're a scientist.
Wait,
Vic.
yeah, put my office up. One second.
Office.
You got a green screen still?
Boys, I've just set up my whole office.
We took fucking
Yeah, and
ages
it's
to get to
looking
your
very
office.
ropey, bro.
They grip trees by squeezing their muscles.
You ran in a circle, but that one was like...
How do snakes climb walls?
The ventral scales found on the
Ah.
underside of the snake create small ridges and grooves on the snake's body.
It's gonna be some strong scales.
Snakes
though.
are hackers, bro. They're next level.
Humans need to evolve some more. We're a bit shit, aren't we?
Are you trying to grow some scales, Josh?
Imagine that we could just grow some gills. That'd be easy for us to do. Just a little bit of evolution.
Don't worry, Elon's chip's coming with an update. You're good.
It'd be
Thanks for
fine.
watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the weird doorbell moments.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye bye.